What if I told you that the world's favorite smartphone changes every time you cross a border? The phone that dominates in America isn't the one people love in South Korea and China's choice. Might completely surprise you. So today, we're traveling around the world to discover the smartphones millions of people choose in different countries. And trust me, the last country on this list has one of the most interesting smartphone stories. Our first stop is the United States. Walk into almost any coffee shop, airport, or college campus, and you'll notice one thing: iPhones are everywhere. The iPhone 17 series has become the premium phone many Americans prefer because of iMessage, FaceTime, Apple Intelligence, and the seamless Apple ecosystem. For many users, it's not just a phone, it's part of their daily life. But our next country tells a completely different story. Welcome to South Korea, the home of Samsung. Here, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is the phone many tech enthusiasts dream of owning. Samsung's stunning AMOLED display, Galaxy AI features, S Pen, and powerful cameras have made it a symbol of innovation. In Samsung's home country, brand loyalty is incredibly strong. But wait until you see what dominates in China. Now we're flying to China, one of the most competitive smartphone markets on Earth. Here, innovation moves incredibly fast. Huawei has regained strong momentum in the premium segment, while Apple also remains a major choice for premium buyers. Phones compete with powerful AI features, advanced cameras, and incredibly fast charging. Every new launch feels like a technology race. But the next country is where value matters more than almost anything else. Welcome to India, one of the world's biggest smartphone markets. Indian buyers expect flagship performance without overspending. That's why brands like Apple, Samsung, and other Android manufacturers compete fiercely across different price ranges. Premium buyers are increasingly choosing the iPhone, while many others look for the best balance of performance, battery life, cameras, and long-term value. Now let's head to a country where Apple has built one of its strongest fan bases. This is Japan. Fast trains, busy cities, and compact lifestyles have helped make the iPhone one of the country's favorite smartphones. People appreciate its reliable cameras, long software support, and seamless ecosystem. Even in one of the world's most advanced technology markets, the iPhone continues to stand out. But Europe has its own favorite. So what's the biggest surprise? There isn't one perfect smartphone for the whole world. Every country chooses differently based on culture, lifestyle, ecosystem, pricing, and personal preferences. And that's exactly what makes the smartphone world so fascinating. Now I want to know, where are you watching from? And which phone is the king in your country? Drop your country and favorite smartphone in the comments. I can't wait to see how different your answers are from the rest of the world. Guys, subscribe the Upgrade Zone for upcoming videos.